videotaping. I'm videotaping. How'd you like that? There goes a GP30-2 power move with that GP30-2, one GP30-2, and there's 5108. I've seen that before. I chased it. Looks like it's going to pick up something. Anyway, I just saw another Norfolk Southern train, C40-8W and C40-9W. Anyway, there's the GP30-2 rolling right along. They're back there in the distance now. Anyway, see you later.